Hello friends, welcome to Lucky Gate. This is a question asked in GATE 2017 for 1 mark from the subject data structures, and the sub-concept is breadth first search algorithm. Here the question given is the breadth first search algorithm has been implemented using the Q data structure. So it is need not to be given. We know that breadth first is implemented using Q data structure. Which one of the following is possible order of visiting the nodes in the graph? So this is a graph given and we have to check which orders are correct orders. Now instead of going for breadth first search randomly, I will go according to the options. What option is given? So it is starting, the first node is M, because in the breadth first search it has to visit all the adjacent nodes first. What were the adjacent nodes? N, Q, R are the adjacent nodes. Because it is implemented using a Q data structure, so all the adjacent nodes will be put in a queue. What are the adjacent nodes of M node? R, N and Q will be put up. Then it has to select a node and it has to continue with all adjacent nodes. Now among the three, it may be your choice which one you are going to put first in the queue. Suppose here in the option N is the next node, N is the next node, so N could be the first one in the queue. So I am taking N in the first, R and Q the later. If N is the first, the next node to visit is N. Then after visiting N, it has to put all the adjacent nodes of N, that is Q and O, to the Q. But Q already there, we have to put O. Now next it has to search for, it has to visit node O, but what is a node possible after N? Either R or Q but not O. So option is incorrect. Look for option B. First we have to start with node N. Okay, first node is N. Now I am writing a ready queue. If N is the first node, the adjacent nodes are M, Q and O. That M, Q and O, among M, Q and O, I am taking Q first because the immediate next node is Q, next is M, then next is O possible, or OM or MO possible. But observe friends, here after Q we have M, that is possible. After M that should be definitely be O but not P. This is incorrect. So option B is the wrong answer. Look for option C. So the first node is Q. Because the first node is Q, its adjacent nodes are either M, N, O. M, N is possible. After M, N it should be O, but it is given R, so option C is incorrect. So finally option D. Now in the option D, what is the first node? It is starting the breadth first search P. So the first node is P is in the ready queue. What are the adjacent nodes of P? O and Q. So O and Q will be the next adjacent nodes. Suppose if I take O as the next adjacent node, what are the adjacent nodes of O? O adjacent node is N because Q already there. N will be the next one in the order. Next I have considered Q. Now Q is the next node because what is the adjacent nodes of Q? N and M. N already there, next node should be M. So next node is N. N adjacent node is M, already there. So it is not going to be put into the queue. Next finally M. What is the adjacent node of M? R. So what is the order it is possible if you perform a breadth first search? P, O, Q, N, M, R. So answer for this question is option D. Option D is the correct answer for the question. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.